हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू शिष्या क्लास यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम देखेंगे इज 1 इक्वल्स टू 2। इज 1 इक्वल्स टू 2। I'm not saying it is equals to 2. I'm just asking you if it's equals to 2. Let me show you something that will in the end give you 1 equals to 2. Let us consider two variables x and y. Okay, let x is equals to y. Let's square this. अभी मैं क्या करता हूं, एक x को I'll assume it as y. Now, you know a square minus b square, right? I'll write x square minus y square is equals to क्या है इसका x plus y into x minus y. ओके, इतना तक हो गया। अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, x स्क्वायर को I'll write it as xy. x minus y. If I take common of y, x minus y is equals to x plus y, x minus y. अभी चलो, if I cancel them, if I'm doing this, ये क्या होगा, y is equals to x plus y. अभी देखो, I'll take x as y. Now I'll consider x is equals to y. क्या होगा, y is equals to y plus y. y is equals to 2y. Therefore 1 is equals to 2. मैं तो फिर भी पूछ रहा हूं आपको, is this right? Okay, is this right guys? अब आप ये स्टेप देखो, this step, is this right? It is not. What are you doing here? You are writing 0 by 0 is equals to 1. Is this right? This is not right. This is not right. Abhi, let's take an example. A by B is equals to C. A by B is equals to C. इसका C is a unique value, no? अभी A को आप 10 लोगे, B को 5 लोगे, तो C आपको 2 आएगा. 10 by 5 is equals to 2. You can write A is equals to C into B. Because this is what product, right? A is the product of C into B. Now, if you take this case, 0 by 0 is, let me take A as 0, B as 0, is equals to C. I can write 0 is equals to C into 0. What values can C take? C can take any values that are possible, right? 1, 2, 3, minus 10, minus 1000, any value it can take. So in mathematics, we call these types of forms. What are these types? 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. We call them as indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. मतलब they can assume, they are the algebraic identities जिनका value you can assume anything depending upon the condition. Okay, depending on the condition you can take any value for this, right? So indeterminate form is a mathematical expression. ये क्या है, एक mathematical expression है. क्या है वो, इसका it can obtain any value according or depending upon the circumstances. It can obtain any value depending upon the circumstances. We call this as indeterminate form. Hope you understood. Please do like, share and subscribe guys. Have a great day.